Hey boys and girls. Okay, we're in our Fundations time. We have a new word of the day today. So I'm going to spell the word of the day on my board. And we're going to talk about it. This is going to be a cool word to talk about because there's a lot of pieces to it. So we have a buddy letter. We have the letter Q, but remember the letter Q is buddied up with the U, okay? Because when we say Q, what does Q say? Qua, qua. So that U is a buddy letter to kind of remind us of the sound that Q makes. So say Q with me, qua. Okay, so we have a Q. We have the letter I. Remember, I is a short vowel. What sound does I make? I. Good job. I says I. And we have a digraph. We have that CK. Remember, CK comes at the end of the word after a short vowel. What sound does CK make? K. Good. So I'm going to put that up there. So here's our word of the day. We're going to tap it out so we can, so we're able to see what it says, what the word is. So Q-U-I-C-K. Let's get our tapping fingers ready. And we are going to tap out the word, starting with the first sound we hear. Ready? Qua, I, k. Quick. Did you guys get that at home? Let's do it again. Qua, I, k. Quick. This is the word quick. And our word of the day is super cool because it means to do something fast, okay? I could use this word in a sentence and I could say, I'm going to go to the store real quick. Quick. It means I'm going to do it fast, okay? Now, I'm going to write this board. I'm going to write this word on the board, and we're going to talk about how we can mark up this word because this word is going to get a lot of marks. Q, U, I, C, K. Okay, here is our word quick. Now, I'm going to get my markup pencil or my markup color, which is going to be red. And I'm going to show you how to mark up the word quick. Qua, I, k, quick. So the first thing we're going to mark up is the digraph. Do you see the digraph in this word? Yes, it's at the end of the word. So remember when we mark up our digraphs, we only underline the digraph, not the entire word, right? So I'm going to underline my digraph and I'm going to say the sound as I underline it. K. Okay. The next thing I'm going to mark up is I'm looking at my markup poster. Okay, I'm going to mark up the short vowel. Okay, yep, I'm going to mark up the short vowel sound. Our short vowel is in the middle of our word, and when I mark it up, remember I'm just going to make a little U right up. It looks like a little U right above it to remind myself that I'm going to make the short I sound, I. I. Then I'm going to mark up my buddy letter. And I'm going to, just give me 1 second. Okay, sorry. I just had to check something. I had to check and make sure I was doing that right. Okay, so we marked up our word. We marked up the CK, the digraph, k. We marked up our short vowel, I. Now, we have a buddy letter in this word, okay? So remember, we are making the sound that Q makes, qua. But the letter Q has a buddy letter with it all of the time, okay? So I am just going to, I'm going to circle it. Okay, so that's going to remind me that there is a buddy letter. So now when I sound out this word, I know I have a buddy letter, a short vowel, and a digraph. Let's sound it out again. Do it with me one more time. Qua, I, k. Quick. Good job. I'm going to use our word of the day in a sentence. Okay, so here is the sentence I'm going to use. Jack ran to the bus quick. Jack ran to the bus quick. Okay, So remember, I'm going to have to use the uppercase letter sentence frame first. For my uppercase letter, Jack ran to the bus quick. My punctuation mark. Okay, so let's listen. I am going to draw a circle. When I read my sentence frames, I'm going to draw a circle around trick words. I am going to, yes, trick words and my word of the day. Okay. Jack ran to. That's a trick word. The, also a trick word. Bus quick. And there's our word of the day. Okay, so now I'm going to write my sentence in the sentence frames. Jack, remember it gets an uppercase letter. It's the beginning of a sentence. It's also a name. Jack ran to, trick word, T-O. The, trick word, T-H-E. Jack ran to the bus. Quick. Word of the day. It's right here. Oopsies. Q-U-I-C-K. Punctuation mark. Okay, so now I wrote my words on my sentence frames. Jack ran to the bus quick. I'm going to put in my fluency scoops. And I'm going to say, Jack ran to the bus quick. Okay, let's read it with fluency. Ready? Jack ran to the bus quick. Can you read it with me? Jack ran to the bus quick. Okay, good job, boys and girls. Your seesaw activity, you are going to be spelling our word of the day quick, and then you are going to read it in a sentence to me. All right, I'll see you in the next lesson.